Hello students, here is the solution for fourth problem. Balance sheet of Abhilash Sports Club as on 1/4/2006. This is the opening balance sheet. Why? Because there is no capital fund is given in the problem. We should find out the capital fund. Uh, Now we are preparing for this opening balance sheet. Liabilities, assets. Liability side, outstanding printing and stationery. So in the payment side we have figure 1560, but income and expenditure side 1320 is there. So remaining 240 amount is outstanding. This is the last year dues. So for that we are writing in the opening balance sheet. Then in the receipts and payments column, opening figure cash balance, uh, that is 2520. Then subscriptions arrears. This is in additional information they have given subscriptions arrears for the last year 480. Then equipment 15,000, club ground 26,400, furniture 2,400. This is also in the additional information. Total 46,800. So we will carried into this amount liability side. Then deduct the 240 rupees. Then we will get the capital fund 45,560. Then main solution. So this year balance sheet of Abhilash Sports Club as on 31st/3/2007. So liabilities amount, asset amount rupees. So liability side first, outstanding salaries. Here in the payment side we have only 600, but income and expenditure side the salaries expense is 900. So remaining 300 outstanding we should pay in future. Then there is audit fees in the expenditure side, income and expenditure account. There is no payment in the payment side of the receipts and payments account. So this is also outstanding expense. Subscriptions received in advance. The amount this is mentioned in the receipts column. For the future period we received 240 rupees, that is the liability. Then in the first opening balance sheet we have the figure, balancing figure capital fund right here. Then add surplus. This is from income and expenditure account balance surplus amount. So add it. Then we will get the capital fund 55,140. Then total 55,980. Then asset side, in the all of you know receipts and payments column, carried forward balance, cash balance. This is the 4680. Then in the payment side, receipts and payments account, we have the purchased 12,000 investments. This is asset, new asset. So we have right here. Then prepaid insurance. Here we paid 720 for insurance, but this year our insurance expenditure only 600, but remaining we paid for the future purpose. This 120 is asset. Then equipment we have 15,000, but it depreciated amount to 5,400. This is mentioned in the expenditure side of the income and expenditure account. So we deduct this figure, we will get the 9,600. Then subscriptions for 2005 and 6 in the additional information there is not received amount 480, but this year receipts and payments account receipts column we received 360 only. So remaining 120 still we not received. Then for the 6 and 7 we have written in the subscriptions amount, income and expenditure side income amount, subscriptions 9,360. But in the receipts column we have only 9,000. The remaining amount 360 still we not received, still to receive. So these two amounts, assets 480 rupees. Then rent outstanding. So rent we paid rent year 2100, actual rent paid 2400. So balancing figure 2400 in the payments column we paid, but actual expenditure is 2100. So remaining is the balance is 300 asset. Then club ground 26400, furniture 2400. These are the assets. Total 55,980. This is the solution for this problem. Okay, bye.